In this video, we are diving into the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and specifically we will talk about 5 exciting new features that makes this upgrade stand out. From powerful performance to smarter health tools, this watch blends the iconic rotating bezel with real innovation. So let's get into what's new and why it matters. New Exynos W1000 chip. This watch runs on Samsung's latest 3nm processor, which makes everything feel faster and more responsive. From app launch to switch styles, it's a big jump from the Watch 6 Classic older chips and helps the battery run more efficiently too. Double storage. Samsung has doubled the storage on the Watch 8 Classic. Now with 64GB, you will get more room for apps, offline music, maps, even health data, great for those who want to leave their phone behind. So Gemini AI assistant built in. This is the first Galaxy Watch to bring Google's Gemini AI directly to your wrist. That means you can use voice-powered AI features like summarize, replies, or smarter suggestions without needing your phone nearby. It works over Wi-Fi or LTE. Advanced health tracking. Samsung has introduced new health features like antioxidant index and vascular load to give a deeper look at your wellness. These join exciting features like ECG, sleep apnea alerts, and skin temperature tracking. Redesign shape and quick buttons. It still has the classic rotating bezel, but now with a slightly skewed frame and a new quick button that you can program your instant access to workouts, flashlights, or lock screens. It also uses a new band system that improves fit and sensors accuracy. So if you're coming from the Watch 6 Classic or older, these 5 new features, the faster chip, big storage, Gemini AI, deeper health insights, and then handy quick button make the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic feels like a smart polished upgrade that's ready for 2025.